Hello guys, this is In-Car Passion. We provide all kinds of original parts and aftermarket parts for car upgrading. Today I'm going to show you the original backup cameras for the Mercedes-Benz C-Class. We also have it for A-Class, GLA and GLC and other car models. Okay. This is the complete set backup cameras. You see, this is the case. When we set to reverse gear, this cover will open automatically, and when we set to other gear, it will close automatically again. This is the cameras. Okay, have the part number here. Also, this one also have the original part numbers here. This is the control module for the backup cameras. This is the power cables. One side to here. And the other side to the head unit. And this is the CAN cables and GND cables. This is the video cables. One side to this cameras, and the other side to the head unit. That's all. If you are interested in this part, contact with us. Thank you.